This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Dow Jones Industrial Average took a triple-digit hit today as the nation's unemployment rate jumped to 5.5% in May. That's the biggest monthly increase since 1986, as nervous employers cut 49,000 jobs from the workforce. Wholesale sales in April increased more than expected due to an increase in durable goods sales, but inventories also continue to rise, reflecting higher food and energy costs and larger inventories for struggling auto dealers. Wholesale inventories rose 1.3% for the month, while sales rose 1.4%. The International Energy Agency said that the world needs to invest $45 trillion in energy in coming decades, build some 1,400 nuclear power plants, and vastly expand wind power in order to just halve greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Meantime, oil today traded above the $134 mark per barrel on analyst prediction that prices could hit $150 a barrel by the 4th of July. Senate Republicans blocked a global warming bill that would have required major reductions in greenhouse gases after a bitter debate over its economic costs and whether it would substantially raise gasoline and other energy costs. The vote was 48 to 36. U.S. SEC is investigating whether American International Group overstated the value of contracts linked to subprime mortgages. Continental Airlines and ExpressJet Holdings have signed a 7-year capacity purchase agreement that will allow ExpressJet to continue to provide regional jet service for Continental. The Fed has approved Bank of America's purchase of distressed mortgage lender Countrywide Financial. Scheduled economic reports coming out next week include the trade balance, federal budget, beige book, the retail sales report, import prices, inventories, the CPI, and the Consumer Sentiment Index. Earnings today. Lehman Brothers may release second quarter results a week earlier than anticipated, coupled with the announcement of a plan to raise capital. Trina Solar Limited, a Chinese solar products maker, forecast full-year sales of $770 million to $808 million. That's higher than Wall Street forecasts. And Russian company Wimbledon Foods said that its first quarter profit rose 30% on strong growth in its dairy, beverage, and baby food business. Earnings next week is going to be a slow week since the end of the first quarter earnings season came to a screeching halt this week. But still a few names: Krispy Kreme Donuts, Baker's Footwear, Shufflemaster, Berkshire Hathaway, Pep Boys, Casey's, General Stores, and Korn Ferry International. Some of the stocks in the news: Microvision Solutions saying that News Corp sold its more than 19 million shares, or 19% of that company. National Semiconductor reporting fiscal fourth quarter net income of $83.2 million, or 34 cents a share. And Sorbent Technologies agreed to be bought by Albemarle Corp for about $6 a share. That equates to $20 million. And that is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.